To begin the satin stitch, come up in the middle of the top of your section. Then come down directly at the bottom, creating a straight stitch all the way through. Next, come up right exactly next to the first stitch and do a parallel stitch to that one. You're going to continue tightly making stitches that are parallel to each other all the way to the edge of one side, and then start back where you began, and then go tightly making parallel stitches all the way to the other side. Repeat these parallel stitches throughout your section until you're all finished.